I don't think people realize how much easier it is to become yourself when you're loved by someone who doesn't need you to stay small. Let that marinate. And honestly, my husband has supported me to a fault. And the older I get, the more I realize how life changing that really is and has been for me. It brings me to this point because a lot of people are loved conditionally, supported conditionally, encouraged in their growth conditionally. As long as they stay safe, as long as they stay in a place that's comfortable for their partner or their spouse, as long as they stay familiar, right? As long as they don't grow too far outside of who people are comfortable with them being. But I am like bubbling over, realizing that that has not been my experience. My husband has always pushed me toward expansion. And sometimes it's annoying. No, seriously. But like even in the moments where I doubt myself, he's constantly been that motivating force. And I don't mean like fake motivational support. I mean real support. The kind where you like casually mention something and the other person looks at you like, so why aren't you doing it yet? Or when are you starting? So what's the plan going forward? Like the kind of support that changes you. The kind of support that like opens your eyes to, wait, you see that I could do that too? There have been so many moments in my life where I could have stayed comfortable. Leaving my government job, I was comfortable there. Exploring entrepreneurship, even relocating thousands and thousands of miles away from everything that was familiar to me, family, friends, environment. Every single time though, I was supported thoroughly, not pressured, not controlled, genuinely supported. I'm God's favorite, obviously. No, but seriously, the kind of support that forces you to confront yourself in the mirror. Like, they see it in you, why you don't see it? Put your shoes on, it's time to go. Because once you remove the excuses of nobody believing me, you actually have to make a decision. Do I believe in me enough to do this? Okay. It's like, are you being familiar? So let me ask you this. Are you willing to become the person you keep talking about becoming? Like, really? These last few years, I've been rebuilding. Mentally, emotionally, spiritually, even financially, with my recent job loss. And I've been on this journey of sobriety, staying disciplined and consistent to that, trying to figure out what I want to do next in reference to my finances and job, career life. And somewhere in that process, an old dream came back. And when I say old, I mean high school old. And that dream was, I ain't gonna tell you yet. Before you jump to conclusions, this is not something random or an impulsive decision. This actually makes sense for where I am in life. The discipline that I've been able to obtain in reference to my sobriety, the structure in reference to being consistent to an agenda, the challenge of being forced to grow and do things on my own in a new environment, the opportunities. And at 30 plus years old, I'm looking at this thing completely different now. I'm looking at how this is going to impact my family generationally. And once again, my husband has supported me to the T. Oh my gosh. There has been zero fear-based reactions. He has not tried to talk me out of it. He has not tried to make me feel ridiculous for evolving and growing and actually wanting to explore this. He has only supported me. And I do not take that lightly. Because the truth is, who you choose to build a life with matters. Matters, I would argue, it's the most important decision as an adult. Some people will love you but subconsciously resist your growth. And other people, they will see the potential in you that you haven't even fully stepped into yet. That kind of support can change the entire trajectory of your life. Ask me how I know. And honestly, I thank God for that. I am so grateful. So grateful. Because I truly believe some people are sent into our lives to help us, pull us closer to who we were always supposed to become, who we always knew and realized were inside of us. And for me, I just pray that I'm able to reciprocate that in Him, because that support has given me the room to evolve. So yes, I've decided I want to document this journey, not because I have everything figured out, but because I think there's power in showing what it looks like to grow in real time. And this is about to grow me in ways I'm not even thinking about. For one, it's going to grow me as a wife. It's going to grow me as a mother, as a child of God, as a sober woman, as a woman who's rebuilding her life with real intention, not just for me, but for my children and their children, and even their children, right? And honestly, I'm excited to see who I become on the other side of this. Like, you gotta stick around. I know you like, girl, you didn't even tell us what it is yet. Okay, I'll tell you. Yes, it is. Okay, but wait. Let me ask you a question. Do you feel supported in becoming the version of yourself you're trying to grow into right now? It might not be signing up for the service, but you're working on growing something, develop something. Are you being supported? And if you do feel supported, have you thanked that person lately? Let's not forget to do that. Sometimes the greatest gift someone can give you is refusing to let you stay small. And I will never stop being grateful for that. I will never stop being grateful for my man. I love the man that God gave me. And I have so many emotions around this entire experience for myself, for my family. But one thing I have no shadow of a doubt behind is God got me, and my husband got my back. 10 toes down, flat-footed, okay? I hope you have that same type of support in the person that you've chose or choosing. Until next time, friend, y'all pray for me, because I'm over here working on getting prepared to go